Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Pinterest profile private. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Pinterest, click on the profile symbol at the bottom right, then you should see your profile icon on the top left. So just tap on that. Once you're on here, go to Profile Visibility, and you should see at the top Private Profile. So this just means when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following lists. So what you'll need to do is just toggle that on. Then I'll also add on search privacy as well. So this just means hide your profile and boards from search engines such as Google. You could also turn off private profile and just turn on search privacy by itself. And this will just let you know it'll take several weeks for search engines to remove your profile and boards from search results. You can speed up the process with Google using their online tool. So if you're happy with that, just click I understand, and that will just keep your search privacy turned on, but your private profile option turned off. Thanks for watching.